What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan, for those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, today we are not doing anything but chilling, y'all. I just need a day to myself, okay? So with that being said, happy Tuesday. Yeah, I think today's Tuesday. Yeah, happy Tuesday, you guys. So on the list today, because I need a little bit of me time, especially while the kids are at school, we are going to go and stop by this restaurant and have breakfast and just kind of like edit a little bit. The restaurant is called 2 Eggs. It's over in Snellville. So I'm excited to go and try it. It's been a minute since we've actually tried out a new restaurant on the channel. So I feel like, you know, us foodies need something, and I'm getting ready to give it to us, okay? So in addition to us going to eat, we are also going to go and try out a new nail shop. I can't remember the name of it. I have to text my mom because it's actually a nail shop that she goes to. But I'm excited because I've actually been looking for a new nail tech. Even though I'm not getting my nails done, I'm just getting my toes done. But I still want to just kind of like see the vibe, see how they do my feet, and then we can move on to the nails. And I say that because I'm very particular about my nails, and for some reason I can never find a good nail tech, you know, that gives me exactly what I need, what I'm asking for. So now I have to kind of like vet out these nail spots and stuff and just kind of like see like what's going to be my vibe, what's going to work for me. So I'm going to ease in and I'm going to get the toes done, okay? And then we'll see if they deserve more money from there, okay? But anyways, you guys, yeah, so far that is the move. We have until about 3 o'clock to, not even, we have until 2:30 to get everything done and then get back here and get the kids off the bus. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. I do look crazy because I just got out of the shower and stuff like that, but that is fine. At least I'm ahead of the game. Right now it is about 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, like I said, we don't have a whole lot of time, and I feel like we can get everything done that we need to get done and get back here on time. So let's go ahead and get going. But before we go, y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Now let's go ahead and get out of here, or go get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'll be back.
My God, why are these cameras like getting ready to die on your girl? Anyways, hey guys. And y'all, obviously I'm feeling good. I have done my hair and my makeup. The outfit is cute. So you guys, we are getting ready to head to this little breakfast spot called 2 Eggs. So before we go, I just wanted to show y'all my outfit, okay? Because I'm putting effort into myself. I'm actually putting effort into myself, and I really like that. I like that a lot. So let me show y'all what I got on. Okay, the wig, Unice hair, y'all. I've done a review on this wig. I like it. It's actually a curly wig, and what I did was I blow dried it out and I put some wand curls in it. So this is what it ended up looking like after. Okay, half up, half down. And getting to the tops, I got this top from TJ Maxx. Dang, I can't even really see me. Maybe I should. Yep, but I got the top from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of the two. Y'all know those two stores kind of like go together like glue. And then the jeans I got from Shein. Y'all have seen these a couple of times, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you will see that I have actually styled these jeans a couple of times before. So this is differently. Love it. And then for the shoes, I'm just wearing my Nike Dunks, black and white and some silver in it. And for the bag, we're not doing anything too crazy. I think I got this from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something. So yeah, this is the vibe. Just kind of wanted to have a bag to just throw all my junk in, you know. But yeah, that's the vibes. So let's go ahead and go. I need to charge my camera while we're in the car, or we are not going to be successful today because what was I thinking? But anyways, let's go. y'all. So we just got done eating. We're back in the car. Right now we are headed to the nail shop. There is this new nail spot that I want to try out called Mila Nail Bar. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten my feet done, so we really need to do that. Y'all know I wear press-ons when it comes to the nails, so we're gonna go ahead and skip the nails today. But yeah, let me tell y'all about the restaurant. The food was okay. So first of all, the first thing, the beignets were bomb. The beignets were really good, nice and fluffy, pull apart. Like, I only ate one and it came with 4, so I'm going to obviously have one for later, but I'm also going to give the other 2 to the kids. But after she brought the beignets out, I was like, okay, yes, beignet, like we finna tear it up because it was good. So I was excited to get the rest of my food. So as y'all saw, I ordered the chicken tenders with, it originally came with a waffle, but instead of getting the waffle, I wanted the French toast. So that's what I ended up getting. And then I added potatoes as well to go with it. Now, everything was a smooth idea. Potatoes, good idea, okay? Except my first batch of potatoes, someone definitely overcooked them in the back. Definitely. And they were low-key under-seasoned. So I thought the potatoes were going to be a good idea, is what I really should have said, because that's really what it was. But anyways, I had to have them take my potatoes back. I'm not sure what the heck that was about, but my cheese on there was hard. Like, I literally was taking my fork and stabbing it. Or like, hey girl, can I get, a remake on the potatoes? And they were bomb, but by the time I got my remake, your girl was full. But I'm just happy that I had breakfast, because it's been a minute since I've actually eaten breakfast. I've been skipping out on breakfast. I've actually been skipping out on a lot of meals, which isn't good, especially for me since I'm trying to gain weight. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get to the nail shop. Just so that I could just listen to my music and vibe out for a little bit, do me, hit studio, because that's what we be doing when we in the car, we be in the studio. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, and I'm gonna see y'all at the nail shop. Anyways, you guys, happy Thursday. Today is my baby boy's birthday. So you guys put in the comments down below, happy birthday to my baby Creed. Y'all see him y'all see him all the time on the channel, especially in the last vlog. He was in there a lot. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all wish my baby a happy birthday in the comments, because he turned 5. Anyways, you guys, so the kids and I are on our way to this dinner. Not this dinner, but to this restaurant called, I believe it's called Your Pie Pizza. And we are headed up there to meet my mom and my sister. I figured since it was Creed's birthday, I wasn't gonna cook today, okay? Definitely was not gonna cook, so.
Creed's birthday's on March 21st.
Today's March 21st. So yeah, we are headed to just have pizza. I figured, when it comes to birthday dinners and stuff, I could have went for a smooth, little Italian dinner or something like that. However, you just want to kind of keep it kid friendly for the kids. All kids love pizza and stuff. And, this place, I heard, this is going to be our first time going, but I heard they have little personalized pizzas. So everyone can just kind of get what they want and not feel obligated to eat what somebody else has. Maybe they have it fun to where you can build your own, put pineapples on there or something. I don't know, but I'm excited to just relax with my kids, celebrate Creed, visit with my mom and my sister. It's gonna be a vibe. So yeah.